Are single, they occupy the whole width of the humerus or the bone in which they are there. They are never eccentric. They are central in location and occupy the whole width of the tumor. The third thing which we want to appreciate, now why this type of geographical area is benign, we must understand. If there is a noxious stimulus inside the bone, the process of destruction starts in the bone. And if it is occurring at a very, very slow pace, then body has all the time to contain the onslaught of that tumor. And it can lay down barriers. If something suddenly arises and rapidly grows, the body is not able to contain the onslaught and the barriers are not very clean. So if you find very well defined margins in an osteolytic area, this will usually indicate that the process is benign. More blurred the margin, more malignant or aggressive the situation it can be. The third thing which we like to see is which part of the bone is it arising. So it can either arise from epiphysis, it can arise from metaphysis, or it can arise from diaphysis. And all of us know that certain conditions are occurring in the epiphysis. So this is arising from metaphysio-diaphysial region. This can be called an geographical area in the metaphysio-diaphysial region. And of course, now let us see what this region is causing to the bone or how the bone is reacting to the presence of the region. Now, how can the bone react? It can either lay down a periosteal reaction. So you don't find any periosteal reaction here. And the other thing is, what is the type of matrix inside? Matrix is what is filled inside. If it is a kind of a black matrix, it is likely to be fluid. Or it can be a cartilaginous matrix where there can be some specks of calcification. Or it can be an osseous matrix where there are some specks of ossification. So this is the geographical area in the metaphysio-diaphysial region. And there is a pathological fracture. Now all these x-rays which I am going to show you, this is my personal collection. When a radiologist teaches you, he sometimes doesn't know the actual diagnosis. So I have treated them all and I can certify in the end that this is the diagnosis which proved to be. So this was a boy, 7 to 8 years boy. The mother just pulled the arm and he felt some clicking sensation without a fall. So this is a pathological fracture. And the